Welcome to episode 19. For doseq and list comprehensions, generate and iterate with clarity. For is Clojure's list comprehension, bindings in, lazy sequence out. With when and let, you filter and name values in line. And when you want the effects, not a collection, you reach for doseq. Let's start the REPL. For with one binding, a lazy sequence of squares. Two bindings. The rightmost one varies fastest, so we get every pair. With a when modifier, we filter out bindings that don't match the predicate. Doseq has the same shape as for, but it runs eagerly and returns nil. Control-D exits. Let's jump into the practice file now. Two comment lines to label the file. Here, each x in the range becomes its square. Now we add a second binding, and we get every pair of x and y. Let's build a chessboard. Files A through H, ranks 1 through 8, 64 squares in total. We set up the files in ranks, then build the board with a for over both. "64 squares in total. Take 8 shows us the first file. With a when modifier, we can filter right inside the comprehension. A let modifier lets us name intermediate values, keeping the body and the filter clean. This one finds Pythagorean triples, pairs where a squared plus b squared is a perfect square. Doseq takes the same shape as for, but here we want the effects, not the results. Three ticks print, and doseq returns nil. Exactly what we want. Now, a multiplication table, a pair of nested doseqs printing a 5 by 5 grid. The inner loop prints one row. The outer calls print ln to drop to the next line. Let's run the file. The first four gave us 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Two bindings pair every keyword with every number, 6 pairs in total. The chessboard gave us 64 squares. The first 8 belong to file A. When filtering, only the odd numbers come through: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then the Pythagorean triples: 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, and a handful more. doseq prints 3 ticks and returns nil. Then the multiplication table, a clean grid from nested doseq. Episode 19. Complete. Quick recap. 4 is a list comprehension. It returns a lazy sequence of results. Multiple bindings nest, : when filters, : let names intermediate values. doseq is for side effects. Eager returns nil. 1 comprehension. Generated or iterated with clarity. Phase 3 is done. Next up, namespaces and require. Thanks for watching episode 19. For and doseq cover almost every loop you'll ever write in Clojure. Next up, episode 20. Namespaces and require, kicking off phase 4.